Welcome to the Midtown Chimney series, Why We Inspect, with myself, Byron on the Rooftop, your host, as we inspect fireplaces and chimneys across America with problems and issues ranging from bird nests and direct vent flues, clearance to combustibles on solid fuel burning appliances, and much more.
This is creosote. It's a byproduct of burning wood, and it coats the inside of your flue every single time you have a fire. There are 3 levels. Level 1 is dusty and brushes away easily. Level 2 is flaky and harder to remove. Level 3, what you're looking at right now, is glazed, tar-like, and highly flammable. At this stage, it doesn't take much. A hot fire, a spark, and that buildup ignites. Chimney fires can reach over 2,000 degrees, cracking your flue liner or threatening your home structure. The homeowner had no idea.
And that's exactly why we inspect. Most customers have no idea what's actually going on in their chimney until someone actually takes a look. I'm Byron with Midtown Chimney. If you haven't had your chimney inspected in a while, give us a call. We'd love to help. Sweep, inspect, trust. Oh, and don't forget to feed the Google monster by clicking like and subscribe if you would, please.